September 24th, 2021. So there I got a call from a lady. I guess she's selling her house and she's got a couple of things that she wants to address. I guess her tub spout, the lift tub spout, when you lift it up it leaks by or something. It's all the water's not going up to the shower head, so that's easy enough to fix them. I got them in the truck. We could change that out. She said something about the water tank's got some corrosion on it, one of the valves or something, so go by and see what she's talking about. Been playing phone tag with this lady for a bit here, and one day I was supposed to go over there and she had a hairdresser appointment. Well, you can't miss the hairdresser appointment. Holy shit. But anyway, we're going over there. Got a schedule for the morning and we're going to go over there today and take care of it. She seemed like a nice lady on the phone, so. Miss Molly, you working again, Miss Molly? You love working. Yeah, you love working with Daddy. You on the road again? Oh yeah, you're on the road again, Miss Molly. You're on the road again, Miss Molly. Try to get you some shots. Yeah, it's all corroded. These joints are all leaking. That.
So now you understand why the neighbors don't like it.
Yeah, and this check valve's got to be replaced too. I mean, you might as well clean it up because it's leaking all over the floor.
Yeah.
And they're gonna.
And if he's good, he'll pick up on
he's gonna see that, he's gonna say.
What else is going on, right?
No, they won't. They'll have you fix that no matter what.
Okay.
Oh.
Is this okay like this? Should I just sandpaper it, or is it leaking up here too?
Yeah, we'll look at that at the same time. I'll try to clean it up the best I can.
Attention and Social Security, it gets some kind of formula that can screw you somehow. No.
Yeah, this thing's definitely not working.
No, it hasn't for a while.
Alright, let's see if we can back it off.
Okay.
Put some notes in there.
Alright.
So after you got the Lyme disease and it kind of affected your memory, huh?
Oh, really bad. I thought I had the.
It's kind of different. I didn't know it could do that to you.
Oh my God!
Did you have like a big red spot?
Portuguese man that is a landscaper. I guess the doctors around the CDC is very crooked and corrupt. The whole government is. But anyways, they decided the guidelines for treatment, right? So they would give you 2 or 3 weeks of antibiotics. But I found a doctor, doesn't take insurance, but she told me. Yeah? It's probably corroded on there too.
I don't know. That thing's really on there. We'll get it off somehow. One way or another, it's coming off.
Should I just leave it? It's up to you.
Well, no, it's not working, right? Don't you want to
It
fix?
doesn't hold up. Well, I'll be out of here hopefully in 30 days or less. Should be going on the market in a week or less.
Yeah, but they're gonna make you fix that.
I'll tell them as is. That's how I bought it. I bought it as is.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
But they still get a home inspector come in
I
here.
didn't even get one though. You know why? The other house I had on Woodcock Road, I had a home inspection. He didn't find that the water treatment system wasn't working. Well, if you have the salt system when you have a well.
Yeah. Crazy.
Yeah. Alright.
Things kind of. To get it off one way or another. Put the big wrench on it. Holy shit. should have another one. It's back when they made shit all brass.
Oh, yeah?
Back in the day.
Yep.
Not anymore.
All my lanterns, the lights on the house are all copper.
Oh,
It doesn't
really?
anymore. Yeah.
You gonna take them with you?
I should, huh?
You
And
should,
put
yeah.
$50 ones.
Yeah.
You know, you're right. I never thought of that.
They're real fancy ones. Just 3/4 and 1/2 inch. Here's the dripper. That shit. Yeehaw. This one's about 2 pounds solid brass. Back when they made shit good.